Hi guys, I welcome you to my Schooling YouTube channel. We are going to discuss about maps in this chapter. CBSE Class 6 Social Science Geography Chapter 4 Maps. Hi children, we are going to discuss about maps. What are maps? It is a representation of the Earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. It acts as a guide in places which we have never visited before. When maps are put together, we get atlas. Children, for your better understanding, I have shown you the picture of India map. Maps have a universal language. There is an international agreement regarding the usage of these symbols. These are called conventional symbols. We cannot use other symbols other than what have been prescribed. Why should we study maps? They are important to us because of the information they impart to us. Maps helps us to know distances. They will show us roads, names of the roads and various locations. They help us to organize information and to travel from one place to the other. There are many different kinds of maps. Out of that, we are going to discuss about three maps here. Physical maps, political maps and thematic maps. Globe. What is a globe? A globe is a spherical model of the earth. It is useful when we want to study the earth as a whole. A model globe of earth is called as a terrestrial globe. For your better understanding, I have shown you a picture of globe here. What are physical maps? They show the natural features of the earth. Rather, we can say that they show us the topography. What are political maps? They show different boundaries of different countries and states. What are thematic maps? They focus on specific information. It is a type of map specifically defined to show a particular theme connected with a specific geographical area. Components of maps. There are three components of maps: distance, direction and symbol. What is distance? The scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. If you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. When a small area like a village is to be shown on a paper, then we use a large scale map direction. When large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on paper, then we use a small scale map. Directions. There are four major directions: north, south, east and west. They are called cardinal points. We can find out the direction of a place using a magnetic compass. Children, this is how generally directions are shown: north, east, south and west. Intermediate directions. There are four intermediate directions: northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. The direction between north and east is called as northeast. The direction between south and east is called as southeast. The direction between south and west is called as southwest. The direction between north and west is called as northwest. Symbols. We use symbols in maps. The conventional symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. The blue color is used for showing water bodies. The brown color is shown for mountains. The yellow color is shown for plateaus. The green color is used for showing plains. Map symbols. We draw symbols on maps because it is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and sizes of different features such as buildings, roads, etc. so they are shown by some specific letters or colors. We draw symbols on the map because we cannot draw the actual shape and size of the features of the earth. Here, a cemetery, a parking lot, a bridge, etc. are shown. Symbols are used to show features like buildings, roads, bridges, etc. on the map. By using symbols, we may make the map very informative. There are three types of map symbols: point symbols, buildings, dipping tanks, trigonometrical beacons; line symbols, railways, roads, power lines, telephone lines; area symbols, cultivation, orchards and vineyards. A sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. A rough drawing is drawn without scale is called as a sketch map. A rough sketch has been shown for you. This is how people sketch out. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. There are certain things which we sometimes want to know, for example, the length and breadth of the room. A picture of plan has been shown for you here for your better understanding. Shall we discuss some important terms for this chapter? Map. It is a representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Scale. Ratio between the ground and the distance shown on the map. Cardinal points. 4 directions: north, south, east and west. Symbols. To represent buildings, roads, bridges, etc. They have a universal significance. Sketch. It is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Plan. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a larger scale. We have come to the end of this chapter. I suppose you have enjoyed my video. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my Schooling YouTube channel. Subscribe and click the post notification. You will be notified every single time. If you have any questions, please do ask in my Instagram.